fresh. Wow. Yeah. Hey, what's up, people? I'm on my way to some waterfall with the name CACHOEIRA do Sapezeiro, Santa Barbara do Oeste, Brazil. Here one more time, guys. For you, Enrique Morris, YouTube channel, guys. To come to this cachoeira, you must drive like probably 25 minutes, you know, or 20 minutes, approximately from Santa Barbara do Oeste to this place. And so on, we're still driving through this place. And then you can see it's a lot of, you saw, it's a lot of sugarcane fields. It's like many, so much, you know, it's so much here. I mean, you could get lost here, guys, seriously. But if you follow the track right through, and trust me, you're not gonna get lost. You won't get lost here. So then you can see we approaching to some type of a sort of a small forest here. Some beautiful green trees that you can see, and hopefully we're gonna see this beautiful cachoeira, you know, this waterfall. All right, guys, you hear that? That's the sound of the waterfall. Okay, we have some sign here. What does that mean?
Don't throw the trash. Nature thanks you.
You heard that, guys? Sugarcane right here, fresh.
What is coming?
The water. Right.
Estamos aqui em Santa Bárbara, uma aventura com o Henrique Morris, excelente pessoa, conhecendo a Cachoeira do Sapezeiro, Santa Bárbara do Oeste. Venha pra cá, venha conhecer, sempre com muito cuidado, natureza agradece.
Very good, bro. That's This is amazing, guys. We are in a little jungle here, you know, and it's right here next to the city. It's just right here, guys. Seriously.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, folks, here we are. We made it. I can promise you, short hike, simple, beautiful cachoeira, as you say in Portuguese, or waterfall, and close to the city, very convenient. These beautiful things here in the jungle. Right now, we're gonna film some things with the drone, right, Noah? Put your hands. Bye bye. Noah, dude, can you turn on the drone? Go, take it at twice. 1 and 2.
Ready?
I hope guys you like the whole things from there, if the simple and nice waterfall here, and you know, the short adventures I offer to you guys in these hard times we're passing through in the world. So okay guys, until the next time.